What's up, rope droppers? I'm headed to Walt Disney World in 2 days.
Oh my God, okay, it's happening.
I'm gonna take you along with everything that I pack in my park bag and my normal travel bag. You're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the video. Now, I am only visiting the parks for 2 full days. That kind of plays a difference in how much I am packing. And I'm actually going to be able to stay in 3 resorts this trip, which is crazy. I have never done a split stay before, let alone 3 split stays. The way I kind of have things organized is I have kind of my electronics right here. My bags are kind of over here. My clothes are behind me. And then I have a white bucket that has everything that I take in the parks with me. I'm gonna start with my electronics, my Kindle. I am currently reading Throne of Glass series, my MacBook. I'm only bringing this because I am filming a lot of content, and this might be something that you don't need. Noise canceling headphones. I'm definitely always wearing these on the airplane. I don't love to fly. My microphone, which is right here. My notebook. I'm a pencil paper person.
Wow.
Something that I think is a necessity when it comes to any sort of travel, really. I got one of these on Amazon. It has a lot of space. My liquids are usually down here. There are some pouches at the top, and then there's some space at the bottom. I have some jewelry, if I have any jewelry that I want to bring. So for instance, I am bringing my Minnie Mouse earrings. But something I really love about this is that it has this hanger at the top, and you can just hang it in the bathroom. That's kind of nice, and it's all kind of organized in the way that you want it to be organized. It zips right up. This little pouch can go right into your suitcase. Another bag that I bring always is a backpack. My Kindle will definitely go in here. My headphones will go in here. Any chargers and that sort of thing will go in here. My money, computer will go in here as well. A lot of times when I come back from a trip, I'm usually having a lot more things than when I started the trip. Backpack is always kind of my go-to item as far as my personal item when it comes to traveling on an airplane. This little purple pouch is where I keep all my makeup brushes, and it's super easy that they just stay in here and they don't necessarily get anything else dirty inside of my bag. These are both great travel items in general, like whether you're going to Walt Disney World or not. As far as clothes go, definitely an overpacker. I have kind of a general idea of what I'm going to be wearing, but I also like to have some options. This weekend in Florida, it's supposed to be 80s. That will be amazing. I'm from the Midwest, and today it was 50 degrees, while a couple days ago it was 70 degrees. So I have lots of t-shirts. I feel like t-shirts are always a safe choice. Another item that I always make sure that I have is some sort of sweater or jacket. I'm also bringing this black jacket. I don't really think it's going to be super cold down there. I want a couple different options just in case. Sometimes it can be really hot during the day, and sometimes in the night it can get pretty cool down there. As far as pants go, I have multiple kinds of shorts, and I also have some tanks that I'm bringing as well. I just like to have multiple options. Comfort is key when you're visiting Walt Disney World. My Disney Cruise socks are always ones that go with me. I do have a couple different kinds of ears. We have some Donald Duck, and we have these blue lounge flat. You definitely need some sort of bag to carry within the parks. I have carried like a Lululemon crossbody bag before. I like having the backpack because I do have a lot of things that I take with me inside the parks. One of those things is the microphone pouch, and so I love that this microphone pouch is small because I can just kind of fit it in the pocket. Sunglasses. Florida is very sunny. You will definitely regret it if you get down there and forget sunglasses. Maybe bring a couple pairs or 2. You could be riding a ride and your sunglasses fall off and then they're gone. Hand sanitizer. There are many times where, you know, you're touching things that a lot of people touch throughout the day. We have phone cord, magic band cord. You do have to charge these magic bands now. When I got my magic bands, they sent me these chargers, and it has a USB at the end that I'll have to plug into a box or some sort of outlet that it has a USB outlet. And I know that a lot of the resort hotel rooms do. Charger bank. So this is something else that I make sure that I bring with me, is an external charger. So I'm using my phone a lot. I'm on the My Disney Experience app, making all of those Genie reservations. I'm checking wait times. I'm recording videos, I'm taking pictures, and your phone battery goes down pretty quick. And this just uses like a phone cord that I can plug into my phone at any time throughout the day. And then I can easily, since this is small enough, I can easily just stick my phone in the power bank in my backpack and let it charge while I'm doing other things. Sun balm, sunscreen, lip balm. Oh, the sun is brutal down there. Scalp sunscreen. More sunscreen, of course. Kula is one of my favorite brands. I like to use this if I just want to quickly wipe it on my face if I need to. So deodorant, I like to have a mini deodorant in my park bag with me because it's hot, it's sweaty. This is a fan that you can plug in and charge through a wispy in the front. I got this off of Amazon last summer and it has 3 different settings. So like when you're standing in line and you're just dripping of sweat, this was really nice to have because I could use this while I'm standing there. If I could pick the most important items in my park bag, it would be my magic band, sunscreen, hand sanitizer, my power bank. A water bottle, I like to use this one to travel with. I'm always bringing some sort of water bottle to travel with me. I won't necessarily take this with me into the park. Water bottles are heavy, so that's kind of a big reason why I have avoided taking a water bottle with me. Quick service restaurants do give you water cups. If I were to bring a water bottle, I would definitely bring something a lot smaller and maybe something that I can fit in this side pouch of my backpack. Hat is another accessory that I bring. Since my scalp does get burnt, I like to just make sure that I have some other options in case that were to happen. As far as shoes go, it is so important to have good shoes when you're at the parks all day long. I've talked about this before on the Rope Drop Pod. Shoes could really make or break your trip. Disney is a lot of walking. Make sure that you bring in a couple pairs of shoes. Hoka's are my go-to. I've worn Chacos to the parks before. I know that I have a friend that wears Tevas, and so if you like a sandal, those might be some better options. That's about everything that I packed for Walt Disney World. I would say the most important items is making sure that you have some cool and comfortable clothes, good shoes, all of the items within your park bag that you are looking to bring. Thanks for tuning in, Rope Droppers. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll see you later.